child, dry your crying eye. How can we survive the fear you feel inside? 'Cause we were stabbed into this evil way. We're Filipinos fighting for, and everyone knows that's right. What made you become? Just look what you have done. All that you destroyed will coming back to you. When the people cry for him to our tatay, was when the people cry when Rodrigo flying high. We Filipino, we must show our strength for a better day, for older and young. 'Cause we were stand for the Philippines, that we all can see the lights and peace. No more this president, and all Marcoses will end. One united world under God. When the people cry for him to our tatay, 'cause when the people cry when Rodrigo flying high.